Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich here today, and today we're going to be trying out these new Weathertech mats on the 2017 Corvette Stingray. So if you know the backstory, I just purchased this vehicle, and well, it only came with one floor mat, and I needed some new ones, and well, GM wanted a whole lot of money. Excuse the ding. If you've never released floor mats before, just push down on the tab, and they come right out. We'll get a vacuum in there before I completely do it, but that is a factory mat. I'm just gonna quickly vacuum that up, and then we're gonna take a look at the Weathertech ones. Now that we got a clean vehicle, let's pop these guys out. I'm guessing that's our passenger side. And this one is our driver's side. Sweet. We have a invoice because I paid for them on their website. And then a how to maintain, maybe? Product brochure. Oh, it is too. It's a product catalog. So, toilet paper. Okay. Caution! Remove all previously installed floor mats. That's actually a really good thing to put on there. So, quick little thing for you. I used to work in the industry as a car audio installer, and we would have to remove sometimes up to 5 to 6 floor mats, and we actually just would sometimes remove them and put them in the trunk because it was such a safety concern. And then people would wonder why they had increased braking and all this other things, and it's because, well, you're not supposed to have 5 floor mats in your car. So first things first, if you have 5 floor mats in your car, remove 4 of the floor mats, just as that sticker just said. I can't believe that that's actually something that has to be said, but it does. So, wow. They fit right in there, eh? Can we line the buttons up? Can we line them up? Oh. Now we're just gonna line this button up. There it is. Sweet. Look how sleek that is. Nice, tight fit. Wow. I gotta say, seals up nicely, just like it should. Only spot where there's a little bit of a gap is down here, but whatever. As long as it kind of stores, like let's say you do get caught out in the rain, you don't want it to soak through the floor mat and then cause any sort of mold or any other things which can happen from other floor mats. That's why I went with these. I've got them in every vehicle. I had them in the GTI as well. And look how clean they look. Like, this camera barely does it any justice, but they fit nice and tight. They are a perfect mold. But how does the passenger side fit? Tell me more, Rich. Fast forward to the passenger side. We get down. Again, we have to line these up. Fits right over this, fits right over that. And can we lock it in? Might have to fit a little bit. They fit tight, which is actually a good thing. It's just there. There, locked in. They fit nice and tight, so that way it keeps it. And these ones just have a little bit of area for water to accumulate. And again, you don't need much because you really aren't going to be driving these cars usually out in the rain too much. I mean, maybe you are. I can't really say yay or nay because, let's face it, I live in Vancouver, so we get a lot of rain. Chances are you're going to at some point get caught out in the rain with these. And that's why I went with the Weathertechs. And I gotta say, even the passenger side, even though the door lights just went out, looks great as well. Fits nice, tight. Again, not a whole lot of gaps, and I think they just match. They don't look like this big, ugly piece of rubber. They have a texture to them, so that way they blend with the floor. And again, it's going to protect your carpets underneath, so that way they don't fade and wear and get mold. So I have to say, yeah, it's nice and tight and along here. Now, let's go over pricing. I got these things for $169 Canadian. If I would have gone to GM, those little horrible floor mats which I pulled out were like $120 Canadian. And then if you got it where it said Corvette on it or had the Corvette stitched on it, it was $310. Are you kidding me? Anyways, so either way, I would rate these Weathertechs really, really high. I mean, they fit so tight they aren't going to slide around while you're driving. And they've got that texture on there, so your feet should grip and hold on there well. It's not like you had a really slippery bath mat or something where your foot might slip or something like that. Maybe when you're getting in and out of the car, it's got enough, like it's got a ridge right here, so your foot should get caught on here. These plugs hold nice and tight so that it's not like this is gonna let go. Yeah, I must say, I like them. I like them a lot. I really need to get a shorter USB. So, first impressions, I love them. If for some reason I find a reason not to own them, I will tell you right away. Why don't we pop the door closed and open it again? Because if we do that, the lights might come back on for us. Look at that, they did too. It just dings for you. Hopefully the ding doesn't drive you too crazy. Anyways, like I said, they fit nice and tight up against the wall. Fit nice and tight up against that wall. The only spot where there's a tiny bit of a gap is right here, which doesn't really matter to me because you're gonna be stepping in to that spot over there. And I do like how it goes all the way up behind the brake pedal. So, again, so far, I'll give them 10 out of 10. They look good, they click in good, and the fitment is perfect. So, thanks again for watching. I hope this kind of gave you a review if you're looking at them online. Should I get them? What's the fitment like? They fit good, they look good, and they check off all my boxes that I want for a floor mat. And again, don't be dumb and run more than one. That's it. Thanks again for watching. Press a like if it helps you out, and subscribe for more. I do a lot of things, but not a whole lot of floor mats.